What's up, Bougie babes? It's your girl, Suzie B, back again with another video. I know shit wish poppin'. You seen the title up there? A beginner's guide to shade matching your foundation. So, we're gonna talk about the different ways to shade match your foundation, whether you're at the drugstore or your favorite beauty counter. If you want to learn about that, I hate that. I hate when YouTube's like, you ready to learn about that? No. So let's start off with your favorite makeup counter. So a makeup counter could be a MAC. It could be a brand like Sephora, which has all the brands, or it could be like Ulta, same type of deal. The best way to go about doing that is when you enter the store, there are team members that can help you match your shade. They are supposed to be well-versed in figuring out what shade is best for you. But hey, listen, like, just so you know, the lights in there are very deceiving. So they can shade match you and it look good in this lighting. Then you get home and you like, wait a minute, I look like a ghost. What you should do is ask for a sample. What? I can do that? You can do that. Ask for a sample. So if there's a foundation that you're interested in and you are not sure if you're ready to buy or you don't know what your specific color is, ask for a sample. And you can ask for a sample in 3 different colors or 10 different colors. That is up to you. You get that sample, you take it home, you try it out in natural lighting, you try it out in your bathroom with your lights, and whichever one is to your liking and looks like it matches you, and you want to match your chest to your face, that is what you choose. And then you go to the store and you buy it. Now, how do you do that if you're shopping online? Girl, I know. One of the ways that you could do that is watch a YouTuber that has the same type of skin color as you and see what color they wear in foundation. Or there are certain foundations and certain websites. Sephora, I think Sephora does this, where you can put in the foundation that you normally wear and it can shade match you to a list of other foundations, which will be comparable colors. That is an option. The other option is, if you got the coin for it, if you got the cash flow, buy 3 different shades of foundation online, get home, test them out, see what works. Whatever doesn't work, send it back, get your money back. You can always do that. The last place, the most popular way for beginners to go shade match is the drugstore. So CVS, Walgreens, all that. The next clip, I ain't gonna have my base on and I'll walk you through how to shade match if you're at the drugstore. So yeah, just keep watching. I know. So the best way to shade match at the drugstore, Walmart, Walgreens, wherever, is to pick 3 different foundations that fall within your particular range. So if you know that you are deep dark, there's a natural progression when you're at the store that goes from lightest to darkest. Pick 3 that you think may fall within your range. And it doesn't even have to be one after the other in line. You could skip a few if you think you may be this one or that one. Just, mix it up. The reason I say this is the best way is because stores take makeup back. They just do. You buy it, it don't work, take it back, girl. Get your money back. And there's no love lost. So if you do it that way, you go home, you try it out in your natural lighting, go outside, make sure it works. Another thing is that you can 100% use the testers in the drugstore. I don't know, for some reason, I don't like using testers at drugstores because they always be like nasty. And there's nobody regulating these foundations because there's not like a person that's over them. So who knows what people doing to them. I rarely buy foundation from the drugstore, but if I do, I make sure that they are sealed, okay? Because I don't know what y'all be doing. I don't know. If you are at the store and you want to match yourself, what you want to do is match the foundation to your chest and not your face and not the back of your hand, because I've seen people do that. This is not an accurate depiction of the color of your face. You have different shades everywhere, and you don't want to think that you're super dark because of your hands, and then you put it on your face and it doesn't match, or super light, vice versa. So you want to match your chest because this is what you see head on and it needs to be seamless. So let's get started. So right here, I picked up the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation. These are nice bottles and it's an oil-free satin finish. I personally like matte finishes, but I'm gonna be honest, these are the only ones that were sealed at the CVS that I went to. So I was like, I'll try them. I will try them. Anyways, so that's the e.l.f. foundations. Now, if you want to try these e.l.f. foundations, they are really cheap. Hey, if y'all got a CVS, y'all know what these receipts about, family. The trees, man. What about the freaking trees, CVS? Anyways, these foundations cost $6.50. $6.50. That's so inexpensive. So I bought 3 of them, and I'm gonna take 2 back if they don't. Actually, I'm actually just gonna keep them because I'm an MUA anyway. So if I got clients that this could work on, there you go. Moving on. So we have caramel, and caramel says deep tan with neutral undertones. We have tan, and it says tan with cool pink undertones. And we have chocolate, rich with peachy undertones. Now, I don't know how tan got in this mix. It kind of like they must have missed the step to put tan up there with the light colored folk. But we're going to see. We're going to see. And these bottles can be deceiving because they're frosty. So it's not the actual color of the foundation. So anyways, let's bust them open and see if they match. Okay, this one is caramel. Comes with the pump. Y'all know how I feel about pumps. All right, that's caramel. You know what? Tan shouldn't have even been in this mix. They should have been up there with the other folk. They was tripping. They was tripping. Okay, chocolate looks like the winner. You see it kind of melted into my chest. You can barely see where it is. These are the colors on the back of my hand. This is chocolate. This is caramel, and that is tan. These are the colors that were in line like this, like color logical order, but these are not color logical. Like, there should have been hella colors in between. But I'm gonna let Jackie Aina handle that because she the one that be policing these colors in these streets. All right, so we're gonna go on with chocolate, and I'm gonna just start pumping it over my face. It smells like perfume. It smells like flowers, or like an old lady's bathroom. Don't ask me. Never mind. Keep in mind that you have different colors in different seasons. So in summertime, obviously you're darker than you are in the wintertime. And so my wintertime foundation is not the same as my summertime foundation color. So that's something that you need to know. Okay. I put foundation on my lips. Ignore that because I look real brazy. But you see how it is like seamless? The one thing that I will say about drugstore foundations, and why a lot of avid makeup wearers choose to use higher end foundations, is because of the undertones. Usually with drugstore foundations, there's not a good variety of undertones and foundation colors. So while you may be deep, you may have a red undertone, or you may have a yellow undertone, and those cannot be used for the same types of skins, the same types of faces. So there you go. So we're just gonna finish the base. I picked up the hydrating camo concealer satin finish from e.l.f. and I'm just gonna put that underneath my eyes, and we'll just do our regular routine. Y'all have seen me do this before. If you haven't, I have a full video again of how to create a perfectly sculpted base. So that is the completed look. I went ahead and added contour. I added some blush, a little highlight. I put lip gloss on, and that about it. This our girl. Anyways, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification, because if you don't, you won't know when I upload. You have to search for me, and that's a lot, because Brushwork by Suzie, Bougie, that's a lot of words. Anyways, make sure you join me for the next video. I upload every single week. I've been consistent because I'm here for y'all. Y'all be asking for it, and I deliver, okay? They call me Jimmy Johns. Anyways, yeah, that's it. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.